So today I am in this beautiful community of Robson Ranch. It is 55 plus active community. Let's go and check it out. So look at this beautiful pond here. This community has so much to offer. That is their sales office. This community has 16 pickleball court, tennis court, swimming pool, porch park, grandkids swimming pool, fitness center and what not. Let's see Magnolia floor plan. That was a bedroom. This is a nice dining. Nice glass doors, glass sliding doors here. Then this is the living room. And there are so many options available. You can add, you can remove. Kitchen, dining, glass sliding doors. Master bedroom, tall ceiling, big windows, and you have this nice closet and this nice bath. Nice wet bar here. There are more rooms. When we go this way, your laundry goes to the master bath. And when we go this side, there's one more bedroom. With a bath. And you can have multiple entry and exit. One more bedroom with big windows and a full bath. Big covered patio. Let's go and view the Vermont plan. So this is going to be a mother-in-law suite out of the house. It will come with a bedroom, full bath, a closet with a wet bar so that if needed you can cook something as well. And then we go inside. There's this little area outside which is nice. So your house just do not directly start at the gate. You come from there to here with a sitting area over there. This is the living room, dining and kitchen with big sliding doors. This is the door for the garage. You have a coffee station, mudroom, and laundry here. And over there is a media room with a half bath. And here you have one more bedroom with attached bath. Now let's go and see the master bedroom. So here we are in the master bedroom, and this is the master bath. Plenty of space, nice upgrades, tub, shower, both is there. Now we'll go out of the sliding doors and see fully extended covered patio if you love outdoor living. And like I said, there's a lot that can be done, tons and tons and tons of upgrades. Let's go and check out this beautiful abalone plant. This is the beautiful living room with sliding doors, big windows throughout the house, and dining room. And this is a half bath. This is butler's pantry with a huge pantry, and this is a secondary living room, or you can say media room. Beautiful with big windows. You have some storage place here, and this side would be your utility room and then access to the garage. Isn't this beautiful? Let's go out and check the outdoor living. Covered patio with fireplace. It's huge. Now let's go and view the Harmony floor plan. They have this beautiful front yard. When we enter, we have this huge 8-feet door. And this is the entrance. On left hand side, there's secondary living room, which is nice. And there's a bedroom with attached bath. And then you have this full bath with attached closet. And then we have this powder bath here, and which is the door to the garage. And then we get inside this beautiful home. You have multiple sitting areas in this house. This is the living room with bed bar and the kitchen and one more sitting area. This is the beautiful kitchen with nice pantry. And we also have this beautiful dining area with big sliding doors. This is how it is going to look. Let's go and see what else this have. This is the master bath with big sliding doors. You can directly go to your backyard from here. Big attached master bath with 2 sinks, nice tub, huge closet. Let's go out and see. So all of these homes have this beautiful extended big patios. And here we are. This community has 16 pickleball court, tennis court, swimming pool, porch park, grandkids swimming pool, fitness center and what not.